What are the benefits of using Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Some of the benefits of using Python include easy to learn and use. Python has a simple and easy to understand syntax, making it an ideal choice for beginners who want to learn programming. Large community support. Python has a large and active community of developers who regularly contribute to its development and provide support through various online forums and groups. Extensive libraries. Python has a vast collection of libraries and modules that make it easy to perform complex tasks such as data analysis, web development, and scientific computing. Cross-platform compatibility. Python can run on multiple platforms including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, making it a versatile programming language. High productivity. Python's ease of use and extensive libraries make it highly productive language, allowing developers to write code quickly and efficiently. Scalability. Python is highly scalable, make it suitable for small and large scale application. Use of use in various industries. Python is used in various industries including web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. Open source. Python is an open source programming language, meaning it is free to use and distribute, and its source code is available for modification and improvement by community. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.